Hi guys, welcome to my channel Smart Commerce Academy. Today we learn the treatment of bad debt in consignment account. First of all, when Del Creditor commission is paid, then no entry is required for bad debt. If Del Creditor commission given in your question, then no bad debt entry will be required. Must be remembered that. But if Del Creditor commission is not paid, when Del Creditor commission is not paid, then the entry of bad debt will be consignment account debit to consignment debtor account. Consignment debtor, because this is consignment related debtor, this is the debtors of consignment business. So consignment debtor account will be credited and consignment account debited. So repeat again, when Del Creditor commission is not paid, then no entry is required for bad debt. No entry required for bad debt when Del Creditor commission is paid. But if Del Creditor commission is not paid, then the entry of bad debt must be put in the consignment account. The entry will be consignment account debit and to consignment debtors account. So take a problem relating to this. Take a screenshot of the problem. Learn 1000 bicycles were consigned by Raju, Calcutta to Tom of Rangoon at an invoice cost of rupees 150 each. So here Raju is the consignor, and Tom is the consignee. Raju is the consignor and Tom is the consignee. 1000 bicycles sent at a cost price of rupees 150 each. Raju paid freight 10,000 and insurance 1500. So Raju means consignor. So consignor's expenses, freight 10,000, insurance 1500. During the voyage, 100 bicycles were totally damaged by fire and had to be thrown overboard. So this is the abnormal loss. This 100 bicycle is the abnormal loss. This is the lost in transit. Tom took delivery of the remaining bicycles and paid 14,400 as custom duty. So the custom duty is 14,400. This is the expenses of Tom. So this is the expenses of consignee, because Tom is the consignee, and custom duty of rupees 14,400 is the expenses of consignee, that is custom duty. Tom had sent a bank draft to Raju for 50,000 as advance payment and later sent an accident sales showing total 800 bicycles were sold at 220 each. This is advance and this is the selling unit, selling price per unit 220. Expenses incurred by Tom on godown rent and advertisement etc. amounted to rupees 20,000. So here is the two expenses of Tom. One is custom duty and other is the total of godown rent and advertisement. Tom is entitled to commission of 5%. One of the credit customers could not pay the cost of 5 bicycles. This is the bad debt. This is bad debt, and this is the main point of today's lesson. Prepare consignment account. TOM account means consignee account. We also know about the consignee account and PL account in the books of Raju, assuming that nothing has been recovered from the insurance. So we can draw a consignment account in the books of Raju. In the books of Raju means in the consignor's books. At first we write 2 goods sent on consignment account. 2 goods sent on consignment account. How many goods sent by the consignor? This 1000 bicycles of rupees 150 each. So here we write 1000 into 150, that means 1,50,000. Then the consignor's expenses are 2. One is freight 10,000 and other is insurance 1500. So we also write here 2 bank account, freight 10,000, insurance 1500. Total is 11,500. Then write 2 TOM account. TOM means consignee. So consignee's expenses. How much? One is custom duty, and other is the total of go down rent and advertisement. Go down rent and advertisement total amount 20,000, 2,000, and custom duty 1,400. These are the expenses of consignees. So here we write 2 TOM account, expenses of TOM 2,000 and 14,400. This is in total 16,400. Next come to sales entry. By TOM account sales, here we can see 800 bicycles are sold at rupees 220 each. So 1800 into 220, so 800 into 220, how much? 1,76,000. Then we come to the commission part. Here is only ordinary commission. No Del Creditor commission is paid by the consignor. So we can also know when Del Creditor commission is not paid, then the entry of bad debt must be put in the consignment account. But if Del Creditor commission is paid, then no entry will be required for bad debt. So here no Del Creditor commission is paid by the consignor, so the bad debt entry must be required. So here we write to consignment debtor account, because the entry of bad debt is consignment account debit to consignment debtor account. So here we write the consignment debtor account. This is bad debt. How much amount bad debt? Here credit customers could not pay the cost of 5 bicycles. So 5 into 220, 220 for the selling price. When we multiple the number of bicycles or unit, we must multiple with the selling price, not with the cost price. So cost price is the 150, but market price or selling price is the 220. So we calculate bad debt by multiplying 220 with 5. So 220 into 5, 1100. Next commission. Commission is how much? 5%. 5% on gross selling price. Here the total selling price is 1,76,000. So commission will be 1,67,000 into 5%. To TOM account. Consignment account debit to TOM account commission. Amount will be gross selling price into percentage of commission. 8800, 8800. Now come to the next part, abnormal loss. Here we also done the abnormal loss, which we already know in our previous class. Abnormal loss is how much unit? This 100 units are abnormal loss. This is abnormal loss in transit, not in the go down of consignee. Okay, so let's go. Workings. Calculation of abnormal loss in transit and unsold stock. Units and rupees. 2 columns are required. At first we write cost of goods consigned, which we already done in our previous classes. Unit 1000, goods 1000 units sent by the consignor, and the amount will be 1,50,000. How we get 1,50,000? 1000 into 150 cost price per unit, so we get 1,50,000. Add expenses of Raju. Expenses of Raju, how much? Expenses of Raju is 10,000 and 1,500. Total 11,500. Expenses of Raju 11,500. Okay. Less lost in transit. Lost in transit 1,61,500 for the unit of 1,000. Then how much for the unit of 100? Because 100 units are lost in transit. So 1,65,000, 1,61,500 into 100 by 1,000. We get 16150. After deducting all of this, we get 900 in units and 145,350 in amount. Then we add non-recurring expenses of Tom. The expenses of Tom are of two types. Some are recurring in nature and some are non-recurring in nature. We must add only the non-recurring expenses of consignee. So out of the expenses of consignee, we only deduct custom duty, which is non-recurring in nature. So we deduct custom duty 14,400. After adding this, we get 900 in units and 159,750 in amount. Then we calculate number of units unsold. 900 units can be sold by the consignee, but he only sold 800 units. He only sold 800 units. So after deducting 800 from 900, we get 100 bicycles. This 100 bicycle is the number of unit of unsold stock. So amount of unsold stock is this 159,750 for 900. Then how much for 100? So we get 17750. This is the abnormal loss. This is the abnormal loss. This is the abnormal loss. So we put in consignment account abnormal loss in the credit side by abnormal loss account 16150, which we get from the workings. This from here we calculate, and we also put unsold stock in the consignment account as buy stock on consignment, which we also calculate in the workings here 17750. So we put both of these in consignment account. After putting all of these entries, we get a profit to PL account, profit on consignment account. This is the total of debit side, and after deduction up to this, we get profit on consignment account. So we know how to calculate abnormal loss, how to calculate unsold stock, and how put bad debt entries in the consignment account. Okay. Next, we know the entry of consignee in the books of consignor. This is also a new part. So this is the TOM account. TOM means consignee account. In consignee account we put in debit side to consignment account, that is sale, which we get from here. Sale, total sale is 1,76,000. Here the entry is by term, so in term account we write to consignment account 1,76,000, and in credit side we put the expenses of the term, means expenses of the consignee and commission of the consignee and bad debt. Okay, which already done here. To term account, expenses of term 16,400, we put here 16,400. The commission 8800, commission 8800, and bad debt 1100, bad debt 1100. Okay. Then see here, Tom had sent a bank draft to Raju for 50,000 as advance payment. In case of advance payment, the journal entry is bank account debit to consignee account. Repeat again, in case of advance payment, journal entry will be bank account debit to consignee account. Here the name of consignee is Tom, so here we put by bank account in Tom account. Okay, so by bank account we write 50,000 as advance. After deducting all these things from sales, we get the we get balancing figure. $99700. This is the balancing figure, which we write as by bank account and final dues received, or we can write as final remittance in place of final dues received. Okay, this is, so we learned today two things. One is when we put bad debt entry in consignment account, and number two is how we can calculate or how we can draw a consignee account. So this is the consignee account and this is the bad debt entry. Must remember, bad debt entry is required when no del creditor commission is paid by the consignor. But if del creditor commission is paid by the consignor, then no entry is required for bad debt. Okay, so this is the lesson for today. Please like, share and comment. Thank you very much.